Hey there, guys. Chet here. Today, I'm going to give you a complete and honest Shopify review. If you're thinking about starting an online store, switching platforms, or simply trying to understand whether Shopify is worth it, this review will help you decide. I'll cover what Shopify is, how it works, its features, ease of use, pricing, pros and cons, and who it's best for. But before we jump in, let me give you a special offer. If you want to build your Shopify store the right way, check the link below for a 3-day Shopify free trial plus the $1 per month offer. You'll also get my complete Shopify course so that you can set everything up with confidence. Now, let's get started. First off, let's talk about what Shopify is. It's a complete e-commerce platform that allows you to create, manage, and grow an online store. It handles hosting, security, checkout, payments, inventory, and order management in one place. Instead of building everything from scratch, Shopify gives you a ready-to-use system that focuses completely on selling online. Shopify is used by millions of businesses worldwide, from small side hustles to large global brands. Now, the reason for this is simple. Shopify removes technical complexity and lets business owners focus on products, marketing, and customers. Now, for ease of use, one of Shopify's biggest strengths is how easy it is to use. You don't need coding skills or any technical degrees or knowledge. This dashboard is clean, organized, and beginner friendly. Creating a store follows a very clear process. You add products, choose the theme, set up payments, and launch your store. Boom. Even if you have never built a website before, Shopify guides you step by step. This makes it an excellent choice for beginners, and at the same time, Shopify is powerful enough for advanced users who want deeper customization through apps and integrations. Let's talk about design and themes. Shopify offers a wide range of professional themes that are optimized for e-commerce. These themes are mobile friendly, fast loading, and designed to convert visitors into customers. You can customize colors, fonts, images, and sections easily without touching any code. While Shopify does not offer full drag and drop freedom like some website builders out there, this structured design approach actually helps stores look clean and professional. For users who want more customization, Shopify also allows custom coding and advanced theme editing. So let's move into e-commerce features. Shopify is built for selling, and it definitely shows. You get powerful product management tools, including variants, inventory tracking, and pricing options. You can sell physical products, digital products, subscriptions, and services. Checkout is one of Shopify's strongest features. It is secure, fast, and trusted by customers around the world. Shopify supports multiple payment methods, including credit cards, local payment options, and also digital wallets. This helps increase conversion rates and customer trust. Shopify also includes built-in marketing tools so you can create discount codes, run promotions, recover abandoned carts, and track that customer behavior. These tools help you increase sales without needing extra software. Another big advantage is the Shopify App Store. Shopify has one of the largest e-commerce app ecosystems available. You can add apps for email marketing, SEO, reviews, upsells, drop shipping, print on demand, subscriptions, loyalty programs, and even automation. This means that you can customize your store exactly the way you want as your business grows. Let's talk about inventory and order management. Shopify makes it very easy to manage your products, track stock, and you can also manage inventory across multiple locations and see everything from one dashboard. Orders are organized clearly, making it very easy to handle shipping, refunds, and customer communication. Shopify also supports in-person selling through its POS system. This allows you to sell at physical locations, pop-up shops, or events while keeping online and offline sales connected. This really is a huge benefit for businesses that sell both online and in person. Next, let's talk about performance and reliability. Shopify is a fully hosted platform, which means you don't need to worry about server management, uptime, or security. Shopify handles updates, backups, and protection against attacks. Stores load fast and can handle high traffic without crashing. The reliability is really one of the main reasons large businesses trust Shopify. You can focus on growing your business instead of fixing all of the technical issues. Now, let's look at pricing. Shopify offers several plans to support different stages of business. The basic plan starts at $25 per month and is really designed for beginners. The Grow plan starts at $65 per month and is ideal for small teams. The Advanced plan starts at $399 per month and is built for scaling businesses. And then Shopify Plus starts at $2,300 per month and is made for enterprise level brands. While Shopify may seem more expensive than some platforms at first, it includes hosting, security, support, and e-commerce tools for the same price. This often makes it more cost effective than building and maintaining a custom website over time. Let's talk about support. This is a big one. Shopify offers 24-hour chat support on most plans, with priority support available on higher plans. The Help Center is detailed, and there is a large community of users, developers, and experts. Finding tutorials, guides, and solutions is very easy. Let's talk about some limitations because, like everything else, Shopify is not perfect. Transaction fees can be a concern, especially on lower plans if you use third party payment providers. Some advanced features require paid apps, which can increase monthly costs. Design flexibility is also more structured compared to fully custom platforms. If you want complete design freedom without limits, Shopify may feel restrictive. However, this structure is also what keeps stores stable and optimized. So there's a silver lining there. Let's talk about who Shopify is best for. It's ideal for beginners, entrepreneurs, and small businesses, and even growing brands that want a reliable e commerce platform. It works well for drop shipping, print on demand, inventory based stores, digital products, and subscription businesses. Shopify is also pretty good for businesses that plan to scale. You can start small and upgrade plans as your business grows without rebuilding your store. Shopify may not be the best choice if your main goal is building a content focused website or if you want extreme design freedom with minimal e commerce needs. In other cases, other platforms may feel more suitable. My personal opinion is that Shopify is one of the best e commerce platforms available today in the world. It balances ease of use, power, reliability, and scalability better than most alternatives. For anyone serious about selling online, Shopify is strong and it's also a safe choice. If you want to try Shopify, use that link below. You'll get the 3-day free trial, the $1 per month offer, and my complete Shopify course to help you set everything up correctly. All right, that's my full Shopify review. If this helped you, please make sure to like and subscribe for more platform reviews and comparisons. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.